Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Litecoin in your Tangem wallet and want to move it over to Gemini for trading or storage, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the step-by-step process for 2025, making it easy, secure, and straightforward. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this guide will have you transferring in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and your Litecoin ready to go. You'll also need a Gemini account with withdrawals enabled. Double check that before we start. Let's dive in. Step 1. Unlock your Tangem wallet. Use your PIN or biometric authentication to access your wallet on your mobile device. Once you're in, navigate to the Litecoin section in your wallet dashboard. Here, you'll see your balance and the option to send coins. Before you proceed, head over to Gemini. Log into your Gemini account, go to the deposit section, and select Litecoin. Gemini will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Back to your Tangem wallet now. In the Send section, paste the Gemini deposit address into the recipient field. Double check that it's correct to avoid any costly mistakes. Next, enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions often have network fees, so factor that in. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll be prompted to verify the transaction on your Tangem hardware device. Approve it there for added security. After approval, the transaction will be broadcast to the Litecoin network. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Gemini account. Once the funds arrive, you'll see them in your balance. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe, and never share your private keys. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Litecoin from your Tangem wallet to Gemini in 2025. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.